Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can move objects up. Now in my case I have this model ready to go, and basically I'm just adding a part onto this specific model. Let's say that I'm adding a cube. Now the question is, how can you move this up? To do that, you then want to use the move or transform tool. Basically navigate through our tool section, and then you want to select the move option, or you can just press M on your keyboard. From there, basically we have three controls, which is going to be three directions right here. And if you want to move up your shape or your model, you can just use the blue tool, or you can then edit out the Z coordinates 2 millimeters. Basically, you then want to move this right here. 40 millimeter will then take us to this height, and basically, of course, you can just move this the way you want to. And so from here, to preview my edit or to preview my creation, let's just click on the slice plate option. And from there, as you can see, we have successfully moved up this specific shape. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.